Meet the secretary bird, a fascinating creature that struts across the African savanna with style. These birds are known for their long legs, which can reach up to 4 feet tall. But it's not just their height that makes them special. They are incredible hunters. Watch as they hunt snakes, lizards, and even small mammals with precision. Their unique hunting technique: they stomp on their prey to stun it before making the catch. With their striking appearance and fierce hunting skills, secretary birds are truly one of a kind. So next time you think of birds, remember the secretary bird and its amazing talents.